Alright guys, thank you for purchasing the Sleeve360 for the iPad 2. This is a little tutorial video to show you how to properly use this case. So what you're going to need is a Sleeve360, iPad 2. To start off, go ahead, open up the Sleeve360 shell, put the iPad 2 in, close the shell, and before you clasp the main clasp there, you want to make sure you start off with the smaller ones. There's one on the left side, one by the headphone jack, and then there's another one by the speaker. So we'll go ahead and we'll clamp those down first. Make sure they're nice and secure. Work your way around to the primary clasp. Just want to lift the lip over the edge for a nice clean seal. Make sure it's in there good. Okay, now the next thing you want to do, when you want to put this into portrait or landscape mode, you've got some release clips. You've got one there, another one on this side. They're the smaller ones. All you got to do, the hand strap is spring loaded. You just press them in and it pops right up. That's how you lock it down. Press, pop up. Now when you do this, you want to make sure that you're not holding it in your hand. Always make sure before you put this in landscape or portrait mode that the Sleeve360 is sitting on its face on a flat surface. So just press the release buttons, it pops up, turn it around, and boom, you've got yourself a landscape stand. If you want to use it in portrait mode, go ahead, lock it down, turn it around, release the hand strap. There's your extender right there. And there you go. Now, we don't really recommend that you put this on a slick surface. What you really want to do is get your travel pouch that it came with and use that for more stability. So, we'll go ahead and lock this up. And now we're going to remove the hand strap and put it in keyboard mode. So now go back to these release buttons. You've got a larger one on that side and that side. Go ahead, press those in, and then turn counterclockwise, and it'll pop right out. You can kind of see how it works there by pressing in those release buttons. So now that you got the hand strap off, all you got to do is flip open the keyboard flap, and you're ready to go. Now when you want to put it back into, when you want to put the hand strap back on, close the keyboard flap, depress the larger release buttons, and just insert it into the shell. And you'll hear it snap in. You'll hear it click. Once again, press in on the larger release buttons, insert it into the shell, you'll hear it click, and you're ready to go. Now anytime you're reattaching this hand strap back to the case, always double check to make sure that you got a good secure fit. You want to make sure it's locked in before you grab it and make your way on. So that's pretty much the tutorial. Thanks for watching.